Alright guys, I finally did it. I've been saying I was gonna do it, but I finally upgraded the exhaust in the X3. The B58 already sounds amazing, but you know, I had to bring out the real potential in the B58. Stay tuned because I'm gonna put in some clips of the exhaust, how it sounds. Sport Plus with the valves open, the valves closed, stuff like that. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned, it's gonna be crazy. We got the carbon fiber tips. Carbon fiber. And we also got the remote. Open and close the valves, the box. Everything looks clean so far. Also comes with the controllers on each side, so you don't have to swap that out. The good thing is they labeled everything here, so it's easy to connect everything together. So that's great. I'll hit you guys back when we take off the stock exhaust. Out with the old, soon to be in with the new. Alright guys, so as you can see, the stock exhaust is now completely off. There's a mid muffler on the stock one. New one doesn't have that. So these, they actually don't come with a resonator, so yeah. And then the difference in the muffler size, that's you right there, and that's the guy she tells you not to worry about. So yeah. Alright guys, so here we have it. Putting on everything piece by piece. I've just figured out that the rear, the passenger side, the exhaust hanger is broken. And I kind of saw it, that's why this side was hanging down a bit, so I have to change that out. From the downpipe, piece by piece, one step at a time, we're getting there. Alright guys, so we got basically everything on right now. We're just tightening up everything, but it's night time as you can see, so I'm gonna just skip to tomorrow in the day so I can show you everything, give you sound clips before and after, so stay tuned. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna drop in a clip of when I had the downpipe with stock exhaust with some revs. Also, I'm going to put in revs of the new exhaust. I'll turn off the valves and rev it, and then I'll also turn on the valves and rev it in Sport Plus so you can hear the difference in the sound. So this is the remote that got sent, guys. I bought it from someone called CSZ Emily, I believe her name is on Alibaba. Definitely recommend it. The quality of just the remote feels exactly like my friend's one that has the actual Valvetronic exhaust. But yeah, all you gotta do, open, closed. Also, what I've done, I have now coded this in so I can open and close it from the garage openers on my mirror. So that's closed, and now that's open. So I can literally do it from here as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah guys, there are some clips of it. Is it a mod I would tell you to go and do on your X3 M40? 100%. The exhaust brings out a beast in this car. It definitely has a night and day difference in sound. You know, it brings up the personality of the B58, which is what we want, right? So definitely guys, don't forget, if you like the new mod, if you're loving what I'm doing on the channel so far, like, comment, share, subscribe. Please just support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Tell a friend, your auntie, your sister, your uncle, your brother, anybody. Peace.